The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is continued powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. CO.za Chiefs won away from home in Zambia in the CAF Confederations Cup. They give themselves a fighting chance to be one of the two teams to get out of this group if they are either number one or number two. Zesco have a lot of questions to ask themselves because they were the home team, but they did not look it. So, Vilakazi, former Orlando Pirates captain, what did you think of the game, sir?
I'm a question for life. One important thing that happened in this game is that Amakosi have got 3 points. Yes, we'll go to the game in terms of how was the game, but when you go and play away, or either you're looking at to play a draw or get the 3 points, and that's what Kaizer Chiefs they did. They've got 3 points back like higher. They'll come back having 3 points. That is good for the team. But now you need to look at the game. How they put the structure. They put a structure that says we are gonna stand there in our position. We get a ball. Those guys that are playing up front, they must find ways in terms of how they'll create chances and score a goal. Because if you can check with the goal that they've got 2 minutes, it came in 2 minutes. Corner kick. Miguel hit the upright, moved the goal. From there, nothing, Mr. Gale. Mr. Gale, let's call them now. Goalkeeper with Chiefs, Peterson, and the goalkeeper with Zesco. They will tell us the truth. We were not at work. Maybe Peterson in the second half yet, maybe 2 or 3, maybe I'm a boring made some save. But the goalkeeper is Zesco. Nothing, Mr. Q. Then that tells you something is not right somewhere. You watch Vilakazi was playing on the right wing. They made a change. They take out Tumayo out. They put Vilakazi behind Silva, Lilep right, Modi. And then again they take out Silva out. They put Batman and then Lilepo. Mr. Q, you can make all the changes, but your structure, if your structure is not proper, even those players that are coming in, they're still going to do the very same thing that others they did. Look at now, Ushabalala came in for Vilakazi. How many times did he touch the ball? And I said to you and that team, Vilakazi, he was playing as a right wing. He came in behind the strikers. I think he was better as a right wing because at least he had some touches, even though they were not really touches that they will give opponents a headache. But compared to what happened after he was put behind, really, I've got a lot of questions with the technical team of Kaizer Chiefs in terms of if they're gonna continue playing like this, they'll lose some games. I'm telling you, they'll lose some games because there was no link between I said it enough time. There was no link between Umabuya, no Kacheni, no Silva. But they had Dumayo as a number 10. That number 10, did they feed him? No. Same applies to Vilakazi. Changing, Mr. Geo, sometimes we get it wrong as coaches. Changing the personnel, you are not solving the problem. Solve the problem. Don't look at the personnel. Look at the problem. This is a problem that we are having. Mayo is not getting the balls. Mayo is not giving us that creativity. What made Mayo not to give us that creativity? Then you look back. Are you guys giving Mayo now the balls so that we can see that Mayo is not giving us creativity? Are we giving Vilakazi that? Are we giving Uchabalala that? Nothing. So how do we say now they are not good enough in that number 10 position?
What is wrong with Zesco?
Zesco, they started very slow. They look like they're playing away. And, it took them time to really adjust it to the game because first half, the last 10 minutes, you could see that now they are in the game now. They're trying to push. They have those passes. Try to find a space behind where their striker will run behind Unontuzana Miguel, and Miguel has been now covered by Umaketh. And for me, really, it's uncalled for. How many times they've played those balls? Then the striker will beat Miguel with the run, and then McCarthy must help. It's uncalled for. And then second half, yeah, they tried. And one thing that I like about their coach, Mr. Keo, one thing is that he was watching the game asked him questions, and he answered. He answered, Mr. Keo, because he made changes. He made changes in the first half, saying that, no, this is not working. Second half, he made changes again. Yes, Chiefs, they did make changes, but those changes, they didn't give Izesco any headache. You know, Izesco, they were like, it's still the very same thing. They just changed the personnel, but the strategy, still the very same way. So let's continue. And unfortunately for Izesco, that they couldn't get a goal. I think they look like now they're a home team, because the Chiefs, I would say almost the whole second half, they were playing in the half.
Normally goals pick up players. They give them confidence.
Yeah.
Modi scored a goal, tap in from a melee in the box.
Yeah.
He taps it in. Did that influence his performance? Did it pick him up? Because we know that he can play 30 matches, match in, match out for Chiefs and not do much, but they will always play him. Did that goal help his confidence the way that he performed for the rest of the game?
Mr. Geo, you know, well done for the goal, Modi, but it didn't change anything. That's why this is one thing that I'm trying to explain to people, to say. You need to change your strategy. Don't change the personnel. Because the personnel, you keep justice, ufaka mina in that chair. But the problem is the camera. It's not justice. Now you say justice can't use the camera. You take me to go there. Still you're going to see the very same problem.
Let's apply your example. What does that mean? That the only thing that needs to change with Modi is that he needs to be changed the position, or he needs to, like we've seen him play maybe 30 consecutive matches under different coaches.
Yes.
So to apply your example, is it because he's not a number 10? Is he supposed to play left back? What is it that those coaches would need to help him with, other than playing him every match?
You know, Mr. Geo, what I will do to Modi, you are a left winger. Know that when you use the line, definitely you don't have a left to cross. So I'll coach him to say, stay in the line, get the ball, but cut inside, and then have a combination play, so that maybe we can take a shot. Same applies to what Unontuzana is doing, Apolis, where he's playing on the left, because he knows that he's not good with the left footer. So he cut inside, have a combination play, or cut inside and take a shot. Because other than that, Umodi has been playing. It's like I took this break and so no matter 5 years, Mr. Geo, so what's
Get it back here. It will still
That's
be
how Umodi is. He's been playing Umodi week in, week out. We can ask now, in the past 15 games, Umodi created a chance. That's what I'm talking about. So now it goes to say to the coach, can you try and find solutions for this boy so that he can be part of the team, can be effective in the team. If he can score, then he can create. Because Umodi, creativity is poor. Golden opportunities are poor. So as a coach, find a way to help him. Now he's got confidence, he just scored. So now help him
So with that confidence, did it translate the whole game? Because the goal was scored after 2 minutes.
Yeah.
This is where I'm getting it with the question.
Yeah.
Then what did we see the rest of the game?
It was the same Modi. So it tells you that meaning the strategy still remained the same. Because the boy scored the goal, but it didn't give him that confidence to say, I know now Mnandi, I should be passing, I should take this man on, I can cut inside. Now these guys will be scared because I scored. So now they're going to put more people in terms of defense, but it was still the very same thing.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Mr. So-and-so. That's Kaizer Chiefs winning against Zesco in Zambia. It is good TV, it is good times. World Sports Betting.
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.